Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 25 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 1967 from the wonderful folks over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to join me and build along with this beautiful 1/6 scale model, click this link here, all the way along there. It's also in the description below this video. Head over to DeAgostini's website and take out a subscription to this 1/6 scale model. You will not be disappointed, folks. It is massive. So, issue 25 of the magazine, The Mustang, an instant success. It says the Mustang was hugely popular from the day it was launched. Ford's new muscle car soon became both a commercial success and a cultural icon and even a movie star. It did, folks. Really did. Again, it's an iconic car, isn't it? Again, from an era where car designers just seem to nail it. Yeah. Starred in a lot of films. The official press launch of the Mustang on April the 17th, 1964 at New York's World's Fair. It made such an immediate impact that on that day alone, Ford received 22,000 firm orders for it. That is a lot. So there you go. We are building today the left front brake disc, folks. You're going to need the wheel that you built up from a previous issue. We've already done one brake, so you want the wheel that hasn't had the other brake done on it. So have that with you. So I'll keep mine just on the left there. There's the parts. We've got the disc protector, the disc, we've got the caliper, we've got the stub axle, and we've got the pipe work as well. We're going to be building this up and getting this ready to go inside the wheel of the car. Okay. There's it all going together. Brake caliper, position it on its support bracket, etc. And then how to line the disc up, remembering the Woodruff key there. And then obviously putting the wheel on, and then you've got your little Cobra magnetised inside. And this shows you where on your Mustang this wheel assembly is going to go. So yes. This is the Ford Capri Group 5 Zaxby's Beast. In 1977, the DRM, or the German Racing Championship, was opened to Group 5 models. That decision formed the starting point for the development of the Capri Turbo. Yeah, I mean, a classic. Got all the bits hanging off of it, folks. It was a proper beastie, wasn't it? It says the bi-turbo of 1978 yielded 370 horsepower, but the two initial turbos were not very reliable, and it was decided to mount just the one. They really did shoehorn that in there, didn't they? I mean, look at that, look. Yeah. There's a breakdown there, and in this illustration showing its tubular chassis and the position of the engine, which was rear set, located longitudinally. It's 4-cylinder of 1.4 litres for the Division 2 vehicles and 1.7 for the Division 1 cars. Yeah. Certainly knew that was coming round the corner, didn't you, folks? There's some more info there on the Capri. I mean, that is a serious bit of front spoiler, isn't it? I mean, come on. Got flames underneath there. Wow. And here's some of the concept vehicles for the Capri turbos. Yes, I had the 2.8 injection last reign of the Capris, and yeah, bag of sand in the boot just to stop the rear end stepping out on corners. Because so there you go, folks. Let's pop that at the back there. Let's grab our parts, and when we come back, we'll be sitting here ready to put the wheel together for you. Right, folks, first things first, let's grab the brake pipe and the caliper. And you want it around this way with the tab facing that way. And you want the longer of the pipes up the top, okay? And it's going to go in this little hole just here, okay? So simple press fit, like so. And then bring this pipe around and feed it into that hole, click it into place. That's simple, okay? We then want to grab the rear disc cover. Turn your stub axle round this way round, and if you look at that, you can see the two pegs, one large, one small. So it can only go the one way round, folks, okay? So let's just line that up, like so, okay? So that's what you want there. You want to grab your disc and drop that over just like so. And then feed your brake caliper in from the bottom there so that it sits just like so. And then turn it over, and you want to secure that with your DS01 screw, all right? Which is the silver one. So let's grab the silver screw and pop that in there, just like that. Bung a bit of oil on it, just be on the safe side. Just like that. And then grab the whole assembly, like so. And then feed the screw in, just like that. Now I can hold it that way round, and I can just send that fully home now, like that. And that's what you've got, okay? You don't want to grab the wheel that you had previously, which is this one, and spin that round. And if you look just there, you can see the built-in Woodruff key just at the top. So you want that at 12 o'clock, and then turn your other one so that this corresponding groove in the brake disc is also at 12. And just feed that onto the wheel, just like that, okay? And that'll enable you then to pop this screw in place. I'm just going to rest that on the mat and put my screw in, just like so. And then with my finger in the middle there supporting the bracket, I can then rest that on my knuckle and feed the screw down inside and start tightening that down, folks. Okay? Just make sure that it's biting, which it is. And there you go, folks. That is that wheel suitably on, okay? And then to finish the wheel off, you've then got, which I'm keeping in my bag there, you've got these little cobra symbols that go in. So let's get them out. And that will sit in the wheel just like that, okay? So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks, okay? So in the meantime, don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build your very own 1/6 scale Mustang GT, click this link all the way along here. Pop. Head over to DeAgostini's website and take out a subscription. The link is also in the details below the video. And also, if you want to help me out, click that little festa just there and subscribe to my channel. Really helps me out massively, helps me grow my channel, and I really do appreciate it. And ring the little bell so you get notified of future content, folks. Until the next video, stay safe and well. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.